Good morning, everyone. I'm Amy from Amy's Acrylic Artistry. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so very much for being here today. Today's a special video. I am doing an unboxing from Mixed Media Girl. I purchased her resin, vase, and bowl kit. So I'm super excited. So I thought I would open it. I have not opened this yet. It's still sealed. I just worked 2 shifts at the hospital, so it's been sitting up here waiting. I'm so excited. I love you, Marcy. You are like the most talented person. I could watch your videos forever. I just wish I had just a little bit of your talent. So I'm excited, and there's a course that comes along with this as well. So yeah, so let's get opening the box. I do have my overhead view here. So yeah, I'm excited. I've been playing around with some resin. I haven't had a lot of success, I think because the resin that I use, or had been using, was J Diction, and it's just not very good. I've been using some of their pigments, and they too are not very good. So I will be buying from Mixed Media Girl from now on. And I apologize because this camera is going to probably shake a little bit, but it is what it is. Here we go. Who doesn't like to toss things on the floor? Here's the bowl. How about we pull this out first? Scratch and win. Oh my goodness. Look at that. There's a scratch and win on here. I'm gonna have to do that. How about we do that right now? Look at that, 10% off my entire order. Didn't I just say I was gonna be purchasing more from Mixed Media Girl? Look at that, 10% off. Woohoo! Thank you, Marcy, I love it. Okay, and so there's the QR code for the course. I'm guessing, I guess I shouldn't assume. Thank you so much for purchasing the Resin, Vase, and Bowl Kit, N class. Here's the link to a video that will go over the materials and how to make several awesome resin vases and bowls. Scan it with your phone and have fun. Please email or message me if you have any issues or questions. Wonderful. Mixing instructions. Resin do's and don'ts. Awesome. Okay. So I wonder if I should just take all this out of the box. Let's do that. It's like 5:30 in the morning here, so. Oh, and I'm in Ontario, Canada. I am just southwest of Toronto, about an hour-ish in Cambridge, Ontario. All right, let's open this first. This looks like resin. It's like Christmas morning. Love it. stir sticks. Some Ranger alcohol inks. I love those colors too. Flamingo, patina, and amethyst. Some pinata white. Polycolor pigments, gold, silver, diamond dust metallic. And these are the Illuminite. Alumilite. I can never say that word. They're resin, it's resin dye in white. What's that say? Translucent blue and translucent violet. Try not to get a glare on that. So more pigments. I guess is that what you would call that? And then this is the bowl for molding your resin bowls, my resin bowls. These are a couple of vases. So it's a 7-inch vase. This one looks different. Maybe it's just me. Anytime I use a knife, I'm like, be careful. Careful. Utility knives scare me for some reason. I've never cut myself. But I think just being a nurse, seeing too many crazy things happen. It is different. You see the differences there? I love it. Yeah, cool. 2 different vases. We have a great dollar store here in Canada, Dollarama. And vases, like, I think they probably have both sizes, but I know they definitely have this size, like $2. Or I go to the thrift shop. I love going to the thrift shop and looking for vases like that. What is this? Oh, mixing cups. Forgot about those. Definitely packaged well. Packaged very, very well. Especially coming to Canada, you never know. And delivery guys sometimes throw things around. Very cool. So, a couple of little cups, a couple of bigger cups, and it looks like there's gloves in here too. Oh look, there's even some medium-sized cups, and there is some gloves in there. Awesome. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. 2 big mixing sticks, of course. Just a little silicone mat. It's always helpful. And these are the molds. Okay, I need a coffee break. Like I said, it's probably 5:45, almost 6 o'clock now. Why am I awake, you ask? Because I get up at 5 to go to work, and for some reason on my days off, my body always is just like, time to get up! Time to get up! Definitely gonna have a nap today. Oh, look at that one. Do a little zoom in there if we can. Awesome. The second one is flower shaped. Oh, it even has, can you see that? This centerpiece is raised. All of this is raised. Love it. So, I am not gonna do this right now, but I will definitely be doing a video, probably. I have a special piece coming up that I need to do tomorrow. It's a commission piece. We have had a nurse at the hospital who got very, very sick and had some very major heart issues and passed away just about a month ago. And the girls at work have asked me to create a piece of art, and they will be getting a plaque made for Rachel, and we're gonna hang it on our unit in honor of her. She was only 2 weeks older than me. It's just, you just never know what life is going to deal you. So tomorrow I'm going to be creating that piece. I'm off for 3 days. Today's Friday. Tomorrow I'm going to create that piece, and then Sunday is playing with mixed media, girl. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it. All right. Have a great day and a great week, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!